Welcome. In this video, we will discuss about data type. Data types are basically type of data. If we read or write something, we are reading and writing various kind of data like numbers, text, etc. So data type means type of data, and in Python programming, every value which we handle will be of specific type. For example, it may be a text or a number. Now why data type is important? Actually, data type tells interpreter what to do with the values, how to store them, and how various operations to be performed on them depending upon their data type. For example, 5 plus 6 on execution will give result 11, but hello plus world will result in a joined string hello world, because hello and world are not numbers and they cannot be added, but they can be joined. So the same plus sign added two numbers and joined two text values. And how it became possible? It is because of their data types. Now hello plus 2 will give error because a number cannot be added to a string. We will learn more about performing various operations on these data types. Now let us see various data types of Python programming. You need not to memorize them, but just understand the concept. We have numbers which are further classified as integer, float, and complex. Then boolean, none, dictionary, set, and sequence type, which are further classified as strings, list, and tuple. That's all for now. Keep learning. See you in the next video.